Hi again, this is Irfan. I have come across this RX5 Bolex. What is interesting about it is that it has been updated to Super 16. Superb example of Bolex H16 Rx5. Ready to shoot. Comes with a 50mm sweetheart lens. 1.4 ideal combination. In this video, you see all set to go. In pretty clean condition, keeping in mind stage with some light cosmetic wear. Runs pretty smoothly. Takes around 28 to 29 seconds to complete the wind at 24 frames per second. Another sweetheart 15 1.4 lens. Looks optically good. Put a film magazine on the top, which you could run with the help of that motor, motor. It was also made by Bolex. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.